In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a linked account from Gmail. Maybe you've signed into Gmail on a shared computer, or you've linked multiple email addresses to one inbox and it's getting confusing. Whatever the reason, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to remove an account from your browser and, just as importantly, how to stop Gmail from sending or fetching mail from other linked addresses. Let's start with the basics. Open your browser and go to gmail.com. Once Gmail loads, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your photo, a colored circle with your initial, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small panel showing all the Google accounts currently signed in on this browser. If you see more than one account listed and you want to clean things up, look for the option that says Sign Out of All Accounts. Click that. This signs you out of every Google account in that browser, which is helpful when you want a fresh start. After you sign out, you'll be taken to a Google sign-in page where you'll see a list of accounts that are still remembered on the device. On that sign-in screen, look for the option that says Remove an Account. Click it. Now you'll see each stored account with a small X or remove icon next to it. Carefully find the account you want to remove from this browser and click the X next to that one. Confirm the removal if you're asked. This doesn't delete the Google account itself. It only removes it from this particular browser, so it's no longer listed or automatically signed in. Once you've removed the account you don't want, click on your main account and sign back in with your usual login details so you're ready to keep using Gmail. Now let's stop Gmail from sending or fetching mail from other linked addresses. In your main Gmail inbox, look again at the top right and click the gear icon, which opens the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section controls how Gmail handles multiple addresses. Find the Send Mail As section. If you see any email addresses here that you no longer want linked, click Delete or Remove next to those entries and confirm. Then, look for the Check Mail from Other Accounts section. Again, remove any addresses you no longer want Gmail to fetch mail from. When you're done, your main Gmail account will no longer be linked to those addresses, and your inbox will be much cleaner and easier to